Perth. We need to go and get some petrol, and I do really need a bit of food, but I just don't know how chaotic the shops and that are going to be. So we're going to go get some fuel, fill up with our water, and then see what we can do from there on where we go. In WA, we've been so lucky. We've had 10 months of just like total freedom, and now this just feels like, it's just really surreal. Like, I don't know. You watch everyone else going through it and it's just like watching a movie kind of thing. But it hasn't been my reality or our reality in WA. So it's going to be an interesting 5 days to see if they lift the restrictions after the 5 days, as I said, or if it continues. Well, they're closed. Just rocked up at this service station, which I always come to get my water and my fuel, and they're closed. We'll try another one. So I've just been at 3 petrol stations and not one of them are open, and I desperately need water. I'm not really concerned about petrol. I've still got half a tank. But water is my priority. Okay, I'm going to try another petrol station and see if they're open. So finally found a service station. Masks are compulsory. Need to get some water. I'm going to be tested. There's a drive-through clinic here because I'm actually not feeling very well. I've had the sore throat. I've had a really bad headache and a runny nose for 2 days, so I think I'm going to do this, and Tonka's just going to have to be patient with me. He so wants to go for his walk, but I really need to just get this done because I have a feeling this line is going to be ridiculous later. So it's like 7 o'clock in the morning and there's only like, I don't know, 15 cars in front of me, so I think that's pretty good. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, he knows he's gorgeous too, so in your seat.
We're doing a puppy too.
Oh, you can.
It doesn't hurt, but it makes your eyes water. Gives you that feeling of wanting to sneeze. We do 3 swabs, 1 in the mouth and the other 2 in both nostrils.
Do you know she lies though?
Yeah. And the
She lies
results,
all the time.
and the results take about 24 to 48 hours. Just
Okay.
try to keep your phone handy. So this is your receipt that you have
Thank
done the tests. And before we do that, let's make sure that she wrote the correct in the mouth. I just need the back of your throat. Okay. Well done.
Sorry.
That's okay. Then we're going to do the nose now. Just try to breathe with your mouth. Then that helps with the distraction. All done. All done. All done.
Who's that very beautiful, clever boy? Beautiful, clever boy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. That was pretty quick and easy. Just like, now my nose is a bit like burny, but probably because it hasn't had anything shoved up there in a while, if ever. So yeah, 24 hours and I get the results. So we just went for our walk, and now I just went to like grab a few things from Woolies, so I don't really have any food, but the line was ridiculous. So it looks like I just after the COVID test, we drove out to Pinnaroo, and I stay here sometimes. And I actually really thought there'd be a lot more vandals here, but there's literally 3 of us, Peter and Jenny. Hi Peter and Jenny. I've just met them today, and another guy that I met a few weeks ago, a week ago. He has a big solar panel on his roof. I don't know his name, so we'll just call him Big Solar Panel Man. But super quiet here, and oh, I'm just cooking pasta. Just needed to like turn that off. So I've broken one of my knobs on my stovetop, which is painful. Thank God I've got a double burner, otherwise I wouldn't be eating tonight. But I did happen to get some groceries from Whitford Shopping Centre today. Didn't look for toilet paper, couldn't be bothered, just really wanted to get some drinks and nibblies because 40 degrees today, and oh my God, it was super hot in here. So I just kept taking the dog for a swim, and we went and had a few showers, and then we would just come back in the van, and then when we're dry, go back out. But tomorrow is going to be another really hot day, so we'll see how that pans out. But the sky, the sunset is like orange, because I can see that there's like a massive fire up in the hills there, and all the smoke cloud is coming over. But we're going to head down to the beach now and just have a bit of a look. It's so quiet here. I feel like I can't talk too loud. It's weird. This car park here, normally chock-a-block full of people coming, going. But because of the lockdown, just a handful of people. Just the way I like it. So this is day 2 of the lockdown, and we're still parked up out at Pinnaroo. But all night we've smelt smoke, and apparently there was a big fire that started in Warraloo in the hills and went through like Bullsbrook, and now it's making its way towards Ellenbrook. So I got family and friends all through that area, so it's been a bit of a stressful morning making sure that they're all okay. But Tonka needs to be walked, and we need to get out and stretch our legs, so we need to get moving. You can see how smoky everything is. Smell of smoke is just so bad, and I'm like 50 kilometers away from the actual fires, so, and just the whole sky, it's just smoky. Unbelievable. Ooh, hope they get it under control today. I really feel sorry for the firefighters.